Hi tech friends! In this video, I'm unboxing the NZXT H5 Flow RGB, a stylish and airflow-focused PC case that comes with pre-installed RGB fans and a clean, modern design. I'll also show you the full build process step by step, installing all the components inside this case, so stick around if you're building your next PC or just want to see how it all comes together.